Today we're going to be sharing how to make these wooden mushroom planter picks. First you're going to need 2-inch half round wood pieces. Then you'll get a 1-inch dowel, cut them down to various sizes, and just sand them down a bit. Then some wooden skewers. I stained mine a little bit so they matched a bit more. Pencil, ruler, some wood glue, and then a drill and a drill bit that's the same size as your skewers. Then you're just going to measure to the center of your dowels and drill a hole all the way through. I just used my cordless drill, but if you have a drill press, that would be a better option. Then you'll take your half round piece, repeat those steps measuring to the center, and this time you'll just drill part way through. Then you'll just add a bit of wood glue to the hole in the half round and to the top of your dowel, slide your skewer through, and then let it dry. You could also add a clear coat to protect it from water damage. I didn't because I like the look of the natural wood, but you can choose either way.